This earth is coming to an end. There's nobody that can save you. Relentlessly pushing on only irritates the persuasion of hatred. Illuminating the patience, it causes strain on the heavens. Releasing faces of terror. You try to run but you can't, so beware the dead. With these horrors, one will find that instinctively they infect every human that stands in line for the butcher. Because we fall for illusions, the beast has made his decision. So put your trust in the trio and send away to the devil. What will you do when the demons deep inside instigate you to commit murder, exposing the things that hides all the pleasure that comes with fear? Every time I look in the mirror, I see friends with imagination. My brain has been commandeered by the psychosomatic ways of the voices that dwell within. Let the seance, the sacred souls resurrect the disease of vengeance. A serpent opened his mouth, I prepare the forbidden crown. Lay my burdens upon the cross with intentions to burn it down. This life is over.
I spit this treacherous virus that's about to penetrate my soul. I will not filter my conscience for what's inside I can't hold. I bring the bass that melt your face and both these words of Trinity. What guided by unholy specters through this ancient prophecy. Show devotion, flowing with commotion. Bacon seem to be the chosen. Creeping with my brothers from the three. Forever will be spoken. Can't hide this from the public. It is devilish. Is what you hear. Our message spoke is what they fear, but just embracing all this.
We all burn inside this hell together, so what's your problem?